Welcome to my kitchen, and let's make something warm and comforting. Nothing fancy, but very simple to make, with cherry tomatoes and pancetta, honest flavors that bring everyone to the table. Let me show you the ingredients. Look at these colors: cherry tomato, pancetta, capers, red onions, and garlic. Simple ingredients. A good drizzle of olive oil goes in the pan to start building the flavors. In goes the pancetta. This is where the flavor really begins. Let it sizzle and release all that beautiful savory fat. Now the red onion and garlic will go in. They soften into the pancetta and build that deep, sweet, fragrant base that every good sauce needs. Add the cherry tomatoes so they start softening and releasing all their sweetness in the pan. 2 pinches of salt, simple but so important. It helps the tomato release their juices and bring the whole sauce into balance. Fresh basil for that sweet herbal lift. Next, we will add a touch of oregano and give it all a good stir. The oregano will open up in the heat and add that warm Mediterranean flavor that ties everything together. And now the capers, little burst of briny goodness. Now the tomatoes start to break down, and I gently press them with my spatula so they release all their juices and brings that fresh Mediterranean aroma to the whole sauce. Tagliatelle is the perfect pasta for this. It holds onto every drop of the sauce. Don't forget to salt the water like the sea. The tagliatelle are shaped like little nests, and when they're dropped in, that salty water helps them slowly open up and come to life. Just give them a gentle stir so they stay loose and cook evenly. Now the pasta is ready to go straight into the sauce. This sauce is rich and rustic, made from tomatoes that have slowly broken down with the pancetta, onion, and garlic, and a touch of oregano. This thick, glossy, and full of those deep Mediterranean flavors that cling beautifully to every strand. So this is important, my friends. Give it a slow, gentle toss so every strand gets coated. And now it's ready to serve. The aroma is incredible. That mix of tomatoes, pancetta, oregano, filling the whole kitchen. Just look at it. The tagliatelle coated so beautifully, glossy and rich. And Gemma already right there beside me. She can smell it a mile away, and she can't wait to dig in.
I love it. So yummy. Yummy. Good.
Thank you for watching and cooking with me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you in my next recipe. Ciao.